Right. That's just the back garden with a big fountain. Courtyard. Oh, Sunken Garden. We were in the wall garden. And the house tours. So we'll try the Sunken Garden. We'll have a look at that. I think the water fountains are cut off because of COVID. Or it could be newly no, that's been there a while. I wonder if maybe that was the original house. Let's see what attraction we have up this way. Sunken Garden. Garden Ishel. Well, rough translation to that is garden small. Ooh. Hold on. That might be the thumbnail. Oh, I briefly looked over. So this is a sculpture donated by a metal arts work guy. His name will pop up here now because I don't remember it off heart and I didn't write it down. And apparently at the time it was very popular, like for 20 years, that type of artwork. But I'll pop up the details now because I don't want to get that wrong and I didn't have enough paper. And go check out this garden. So pretty cool and interesting little feature. I know when I have my 20 million subscribers and I'm a billionaire, I'll have a sunken garden in my place. So just dig a hole, build a garden in it, and that's we call it a sunken garden. Hold on, maybe try artsy this up. Yeah, I think the sun will screw me over, so hold on. This is cool. Well, it's not on now, but a water fountain feature thing. That'd be cool, I reckon. And that's going. It doesn't look like it's been on for a while. All the mould in the water. Yeah, so that's it. You can kind of see the shape of like what looks like a bird. Peacocks. There we go. You can see it, that's the bushy tail, and that's the head, and that's the body. Haha. I'm not that art illiterate as I expected. I'm assuming that's an Easter egg. I have no idea what the hell that is. Like, it's a tree, yes, and it's cut, but I have no idea what it's supposed to represent. Right, cool. It's interesting. Again, I'd say summertime now it'd be a bit more prettier and warmer to enjoy. And we'll have a look for this art house and the gallery. Yeah, here's a bit of information. So, sun gardens in various styles, forms popular in the early 20th century. This is in the Dutch style and was created sometime after 1907 by Edward Cecil Guinness. Fundamental roles, gate leads to the garden. Yeah, you can probably read that all yourself there. Nothing devastatingly new news on it. I think we'll go back right for the house tour. This is kind of where the art gallery is. So this is going to be a long video or split up into several ones. But just walk with me and enjoy the beauty. You know? Seems to be somewhat wheelchair friendly. I wouldn't say it's like ideal, but there's nothing too impactful. Only just when you get to the lowered section of that garden. We'll see how it is for. Yeah, so yeah, that just seems to be up that way, then around to the wall garden. So yeah, I do take requests once it's within my budget and my time off. So if anyone has any recommendations of places that they'd like to see, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see about doing that. Or you can reach out to me on my Instagram, it's Grand Walking Tours. I think I have a link to that on the about section. So feel free to DM, because I don't have many people that do, so it's not like I'm gonna miss it. And if you want to just have a chat, by all means, chat away. Right, house tours, courtyard. Oh, and let me know what you thought of my last video, where I done a kind of a toury video. I don't like them in the sense that you don't get to see this little walkway here. You don't get to see that. Well, isn't that very Christmassy? Let's see what's going on here. This is open or? The house tour, limited tickets available. Tours are free of charge for 2020 reason. Collect your tickets inside. I didn't actually get a ticket, and I don't want to be one of those guys. And I put a bathroom there, so I'm going to use that facility. And then I'll actually inside as well.